One Friday evening prior to a business trip, David Hendricks took his wife and three children out at 7:30 for a pizza dinner. Hendricks left on a business trip at midnight. Over the weekend, he was calling his family to check up on them, but no one answered. Upon his arrival home the following Tuesday, he was greeted by a police who had a grim story for him. His wife Susan and their children had been murdered. Their home showed some overturned furniture, but no evidence of theft. The police were unable to find a motive for the crime.
There are four manners of death: natural, accidental, suicidal, and homicidal. The medical examiner determined that the Hendricks family was a homicide. Finding the knife and axe at the scene helped the medical examiner narrow down what caused the mechanism of death, which was being stabbed multiple times.
There are three mortices that aid to determine PMI. The first one is livor mortis. This is the cooling of blood and tissues after death. The second one is algor mortis. This is the cooling of the body after death. The third is rigor mortis. This is the stiffening of the body after death. During algor mortis, the body will cool 0.78 degrees Celsius for the first 12 hours, and after it will cool 0.39 degrees Celsius.
When the body is found, one can determine the PMI using the Glaister equation, which is the approximate hours since death equals 36.8 Celsius minus the measured temperature divided by 1.5.
A medical examiner takes the body or bodies of a crime scene to gather evidence of how the crime occurred involving the victim. This procedure is also known as an autopsy. The pizza toppings from the children determined a close time to when they died, the night David left for his trip. Hendricks was convicted for the murder of his family, but was retried and acquitted 7 years later.